The modern international worker usually faces a harsh geographical compromise. You either pay the extreme premiums of gridlocked tech hubs to access reliable infrastructure, or you accept the structural vulnerabilities of affordable tropical outposts. Wedged quietly between the borders of Italy and Austria, the 156th sovereign state on Earth breaks this rule entirely. The landscape presents as a flawless fairy tale layout. It's a territory defined by deep emerald forests, crystal-clear alpine lakes, and deeply protected natural wilderness. Behind this picturesque surface operates a tightly regulated, multi-billion-dollar industrial and pharmaceutical grid. Slovenia maintains a sophisticated paradox, an advanced industrial core functioning from within a strictly regulated alpine sanctuary. The foundation of this sanctuary relies on massive ecological preservation. Over 60% of the national landmass is entirely blanketed by highly protected forests. This preservation extends deep underground into the spectacular Postojna cave system, where a dedicated railway has run continuously through the darkness for over 140 years. These subterranean limestone chambers form an intricate geological labyrinth, strictly managed to protect the delicate environment within. This lightless ecosystem shelters a biological anomaly, the olm. Known locally as the baby dragon, this blind subterranean salamander can survive completely without food for up to 10 years. This radar chart plots the nation's human societal metrics against major Western powers. Violent crime patterns, street muggings, and organized syndicate activities register at near zero. Slovenia consistently occupies elite top 10 positions on the Global Peace Index. Solo creators can walk through darkened city parks at 3 a.m. in absolute safety. This level of security mirrors a culture where daily community life is deeply active and centered on the collective preservation of the landscape. Powering this quiet stability is an aggressive industrial engine. The economy is driven by advanced high-tech electronics, automotive engineering, and pharmaceutical monopolies like Krka and Lek. This bar chart breaks down the local earning metrics. The baseline economic reality for residents sits at a national average net salary of 1,450 to 1,600 euros per month. As the second column surges, we see the premium opportunity. Foreign tech operators, biochemical researchers, and systems architects utilizing the country's high-speed fiber networks command 2,800 to over 4,800 euros gross monthly. Accessing this high-earning grid requires clearing strict legal barriers. Slovenia operates securely within the European Union and Schengen Area. Digital nomads utilize specialized independent consultant tracks, but border control mandates absolute adherence to the rules, checking for passports with at least 3 months of extra validity and physical proof of 30,000 euros in travel insurance. The border matrix filters out opportunistic transients. It is engineered to be exclusionary, yet lucrative for the specialized global talent who clear the barrier. For those who secure legal entry, the daily cost of living creates a steep mathematical advantage, a phenomenon described as an Alpine arbitrage. You access a Western European quality of life at a lower cost than in neighboring Italy or Austria. This topographical map maps out the real estate pricing structure. Inside regional mountain and coastal hubs like Maribor or Koper, a fully furnished one-bedroom apartment ranges from 450 to 650 euros a month. Those costs climb when you enter the distinct municipal capital premiums. Prime residential sectors in Ljubljana demand 700 to over 1,150 euros monthly, plus building utilities. Daily sustenance remains highly competitive. 8 to 15 euros secures a massive, hearty platter in a city plaza. This includes protected national culinary identities, like the Kranjska Klobasa, a smoked pork sausage guarded under strict geographical indication laws. This culinary matrix fuses Slavic roots, fresh Mediterranean flavors, and Alpine traditions, punctuated by potica, a traditional rolled nut pastry that fuels the active, outdoorsy daily pacing of the locals. By reducing the capital required for basic survival, international residents can redirect their resources into a premium, eco-conscious lifestyle. This infographic breaks down the climate, splitting the country into alpine mountain, continental interior, and sub-Mediterranean coastal bands. While winters drop well below freezing to transform the Julian Alps into skiing corridors, the prime window to live and travel comfortably is between May and September, when the Alpine passes are clear. Slovenia maintains a rare equilibrium. It demonstrates that a multi-billion-dollar industrial economy can thrive alongside protected ecological purity and high community safety. Would you baseline your next remote creative workspace inside a green Alpine sanctuary where over 60% of the landmass is covered in forests and baby dragons live underground? Let us know in the comments below. Next up, the Solomon Islands, the untamed World War II coral shipwrecks, remote island archipelagos, and ancient Melanesian seafaring horizons of the South Pacific. Subscribe to the channel to stay real.